All right, I need to use the square root property. And this thing's kind of interesting. I know that to use the square root property, I need to get my square by itself. So I need to get rid of this, minus 9. And how do you get rid of a minus 9? Add 9 to both sides. That way, negative 9 plus 9 is 0, so it's gone. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to have this binomial x minus 5 squared equals 0 plus 9 is 9. Now my square is by itself, so now I'm ready to take the square root of both sides.
Plus or minus.
That's right, boys, plus or minus. And on the left-hand side, the square root of x minus 5 squared is going to be just x minus 5. And on the right-hand side, we have plus or minus the square root of 9. What's the square root of 9? 3. Okay, now I have to solve for my x. I need to get my x by itself, so I need to get rid of a minus 5. How do I get rid of a minus 5? That's right, a plus 5. So negative 5 plus 5 is gone. X equals. Now over here, I have plus or minus 3 plus 5. Now I can't do that addition right now. Let me write it out so you can see. Plus or minus 3 plus 5. Now this is a positive 3 plus 5, and then a negative 3 plus 5. So if I split it up, positive 3 plus 5, comma, negative 3 plus 5, you'll see the two answers. Okay, sometimes people want to just put these two together and say positive or negative 8, but that's not right. So on the left-hand side, 3 plus 5, x equals 8. And on the right-hand side, negative 3 plus 5, that's 2. So here's my answers, 8 and 2. So go ahead and split it up. Split up your plus or minus before you combine. Plus or minus